Hi, I'm Ray Antonino and I'm the co-founder of FieldVine. FieldVine is a mobile tool for collaboration and compliance. We make it easy for companies with contractors in the field to track status, share data, and stay connected in real time. America was built on the backs of small business. Companies with independent contractors in the field face constant challenges, with nearly 53% failing in the first 5 years. The old way of capturing important information and communicating is broken. Yet companies with people in the field continue to rely on paper, Excel spreadsheets, and phones for managing their business. I've lived this firsthand as a project manager for Centex Homes, the second largest home builder in the country. And I've witnessed the inefficiencies that plague small business and their growth. I've also seen what the future looks like when business operates on efficiencies and the ability to scale without the need for hiring additional people. In 2009, my wife and I started a small construction company, and by 2011, we were asked to be the general contractors for Lowe's Home Improvement in our local marketplace. Here we are a year later, and we're on vacation. We use LogMeIn to access our office computers. Now, we genuinely think we're on a vacation, but we're actually tethered to the hotel business center. And it really wasn't until family pointed out that we weren't on a vacation that we realized we needed to make a change. Determined that this would never happen again, we set out to make something that would be 100% mobile and ensure we could run our business from anywhere. Common challenges within our industry. Number one, there's problems in the field all the time. Being able to get that information back into a central place efficiently, get that information redistributed where it needs to go quickly is key. For us, one of the biggest problems was to grow our business required that we hire people to manage paper and push and phones, and that was just unacceptable. Also, with companies like us, compliance is a big issue, and so distinguishing between an independent contractor and a employee is critical, meeting the IRS standards for doing so. More relevant to construction services is identifying the municipality that we work in and ensuring that we build to those local municipality standards and guidelines. I want to share with you here, this is a screenshot from within FieldVine. This is a data set that helps us to avoid costly errors and lets us know from the second we input a task that we're going to perform and the address that we're going to perform it at. The second those are initially entered into the system, we automatically have all the information that's relevant for ensuring we don't miss those things and have costly errors. This is probably the single greatest thing that contractors face when it comes to permitting. FieldVine is a 100% mobile product. With our challenge that we had as we took our vacation, we knew we wanted to make it 100% from a cell phone, and it is. Every aspect of everything we do, onboarding new customers, any changes, edits, it's all done from a cell phone. The other thing is the user experience. That's absolutely paramount, right? Because if the guy in the field who uses hammers and all that good stuff, and that's the tool of choice, and we wanted to create a user experience that ensured that they would use this and find as much value in FieldVine as they would the very tools that make them money. And by doing so, that would give us the information that was necessary to run our business more efficiently. And ultimately, compliance, which I shared earlier. So a little bit of validation. 2012, we did not have FieldVine. In 2013, we did. We saw an 18.5% increase in revenue, in project workload, the capacity to take on more work. We saw a 21% increase in our revenues, but that's not really the great number. The great number is 0. We hired additional people, not one person, to manage any of that additional workload. What's that mean for us? We made more money, and our contractors made more money. So what does the market opportunity look like? Well, first, we believe that where we're best suited initially is in property management associations at the national and regional level. Also, the independent contractors associations, where you have paying members that seek to be at the forefront of new and better technologies. And additionally, contractors that service big box retailers like us. Here's a slide with some additional opportunities that we feel is very easy to tackle with what we have already. So how do we make money? Well, we're going to use Lowe's as an example because we've serviced Lowe's now for 5 years. Lowe's has 1,750 locations. They have an average of 17 contractors per store that service those locations. That gives you a little in excess of 29,000 opportunities. We intend to go after 1,000 in the first year, 1,000 of those contractors that service Lowe's Home Improvement. at the rate of a cable bill per month, and that alone puts us at a $600,000 annual revenue business opportunity. We seek today for an opportunity to partner with a good investor, one that can bring some strategic play into to the mix and help us take what we have done to the next level. I will say that we come as a debt-free company. Everything we've done is fully bootstrapped. We don't owe a penny to anybody. And we'd like for the opportunity to partner with that right person to get us to where we do exactly this and grow. Got a fantastic team. Rebecca, I've got Charles, our remote programmer. I'd like to get him here, but can't do that. I've got Daniel, our designer's here today, and also Adam, who is our advisor. And Adam actually was instrumental in the original build of FieldVine. At the end of the day, the goal is to help small businesses like ours experience an opportunity to manage their business remotely from a cell phone, limit the compliance errors, and make more money. This right here is a picture a year later. No joke. 1 year later, we're in, Oregon, and we're at Crater Lake. It was cold. In any event, this is what a real vacation looks like. And we're very fortunate that we made the choice to move forward and find a solution that would work for us. We genuinely believe FieldVine has all the right recipe for making this a successful operation for other contractors like ourselves. We'd like to see you help us get there. With that, thank you for your attention.